For any broken wires on motors, you will need a simple screwdriver Phillips and a pair of wire cutters. We will then send you one of those. The first thing you're going to do is make sure the machine is turned off by the switch. The next thing you're going to do is remove the 3 screws holding the hinge on to the tray. You're then going to take the tray, shift it over to access the wires. They are marked on whichever motor is marked. So that's 6 and that's 5. We're then going to take the tray, we're going to remove it out of the area for the present time. As you see, we have a broken wire here. To fix it, you're going to take your pair of wire cut strippers and you're going to put it into the wire strippers at the 16 gauge. Strip the wires back. Like so. You're going to twist the wires together. Like that. And like that. You're going to take the piece that we send you. There's going to be 2 blue things. Pop them both up. Take the exposed wire. Put it into one side. Click it down. Take the other end of the wire. Click it down. Give it a small light tug to make sure that it's seated in there. You are then going to take the tray. There are numbers 5 and 6. On the wires, there is a number marked there for 5, which goes to 5. And a wire that says 6 goes to motor 6. Make sure they're fastened in all the way. You then take the tray, you put it back in, line your holes up, take your screws, put your screws back in, like so, and then turn back on your machine and your motor will be fixed.